And race on, graceful conqueror, rushing up Shimmer Joe, in between runners fearless, alongside his angel, Sky down on the inside, center can, and rushing up Elgin, ravishing Ruffy, Apple Splash at the center, smashing success, deep rising, strike force, and modern classic is the early trailer. Shimmer Joe, in between runners, Elgin, and down on the inside, center can, fearless, racing import by Sam Tulens as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Shimmer Joe by ahead. Elgin is running in the middle. Center can down on the inside, fearless. Angel Sky racing in fifth alongside smashing success, Apple Splash, and graceful conqueror, ravishing rapid, deep rising strike force and modern classic, working towards the back. Shimmer Joe, Elgin, and running by the center can, rushing up Angel Sky, fearless, is smashing success, rushing up Apple Splash by the rail, deep rising, graceful conqueror, ravishing rapid strike force, and modern classic still running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Angel Sky from the outside, together with Fearless. Down on the inside, Shimmer Joe, Apple Splash on the further outside, Elgin. As they race the final corner, Angel Sky, Fearless, and Apple Splash from the outside. And during the last 250, Angel Sky, Fearless, fighting it up for the lead. Apple Splash, deep rising, brushing out, smashing success. And nearing the finish line, Angel Sky, Fearless is on the outside. And on the further outside, Apple Splash, Angel Sky, Apple Splash, and finally Angel Sky. Close. Fearless, Apple Splash, deep rising, modern classic, smashing success. Graceful conqueror, Elgin, ravishing Ruffy, Shimmer Joe, center can, and strike force comes last.